How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our single row Carbine series off-road light bars. Now we offer these light bars in either a 10-inch or 20-inch model, and each model is offered in either a floodlight or hybrid optics. Now on your floodlight light bars, you'll see that you'll have all floodlight optics, and on your hybrid light bars, you'll notice that you'll have floodlight optics on the outside and spotlight optics in the center of your light bar. And then all of these light bars will come included with your L brackets and hardware here that I went ahead and pre-attached. And then you'll notice on your cable harness here that you have a waterproof pigtail connection going to your positive and negative cables. So here I brought our 10-inch model with our floodlight optics, and here I brought our 20-inch model with our hybrid optics. Now your 10-inch model will have 9 3-watt LEDs pushing 3,780 lumens, and your 20-inch model will have 21 3-watt LEDs pushing 8,820 lumens. So let's go ahead and turn these units on and go over the optics. So again, we have our 10-inch floodlight model here, and you'll notice that you'll have a widespread beam off of your light bar. And then here is our 20-inch hybrid model, where you'll have floodlight optics with that widespread beam on the outside, and then you'll have your spotlight optics with the more focused beam on the middle of your light bar. When it comes to wiring your Carbine, we offer our optional on-off switch here, which is a standard on-off toggle switch, or we offer our wireless relay here. And with our wireless relay, you'll also get your on-off switch, and then you'll get your wireless remote. Now with your wireless remote, you have your on-off buttons here, and then you do have a couple flash patterns you can activate off of your wireless remote switch here. So that covers our single row Carbine series off-road light bars. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.